In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Play Store slow download. To begin, the first step is to restart your phone. This simple action can often resolve various issues, including slow downloads. To do this, press and hold the power button on your device. You will see options appear on the screen. Look for the option labeled Restart and tap it. This will initiate the reboot process. Once your phone restarts, your apps and services will start fresh. This is crucial because it clears temporary glitches that may be impacting your device's performance. After the restart, open the Google Play Store and try the download again. You might find that this little step makes a significant difference. Next, we will check your storage space. Having insufficient storage can slow down downloads or even prevent them from starting. To check this, open the Settings app on your device. Once you're in Settings, click on Apps, which will display a list of all the applications installed on your device. Scroll through the list and look for Google Play Store. After selecting it, tap on Storage. Here, you will see the amount of storage being used and how much is available. Make sure you have at least 1 GB of free space. If you don't, consider deleting unused apps or files to free up some space. This is important because adequate storage ensures that downloads can complete without interruptions. Now, let's clear the Google Play Store cache. This action can help eliminate any corrupted data that may be causing slow downloads. To begin, return to the Settings menu. Tap on Apps once again, then find and tap on Google Play Store. After selecting it, locate the option for Storage and Cache. Tap on it and you will see two options, Clear Cache and Clear Storage. For this step, select Clear Cache. This process will only remove temporary files, so your personal settings and data will remain intact. By clearing the cache, you can enhance the Play Store's performance, making your downloading experience smoother. Once that is done, it's wise to return to the Google Play Store and try your download again. This ensures that any temporary data that was slowing down your downloads has been cleared. If the issue persists, it might be time to look into other potential causes. However, these initial steps often resolve the most common problems users face. Finally, it's always a good idea to keep your apps and operating system updated. Regular updates can fix bugs and improve performance. To check for updates, open the Settings app again. Scroll down to find System Updates and tap on it. If any updates are available, follow the prompts to install them. This step is crucial because updates often include important optimizations that enhance the overall functionality of your device. By following these steps, you can effectively address slow download issues in the Google Play Store. Remember, starting with a simple restart can often yield great results. Ensuring you have enough storage space and clearing cache are quick fixes that can save you time and frustration. Keeping your device updated also plays a significant role in maintaining optimal performance. Now try those steps and you should see improvements in your download speeds. Thank you for watching and happy downloading.